When in loose conditions, spin control assists operators in keeping tire spin under control in first gear forward. Spin control limits maximum engine speed to reduce the rim pull available to the operator only in first gear. When all 4 lights are illuminated on the SSM, the rim pull will be most limited. With no lights illuminated, the wheel loader will have full power. If this feature is used incorrectly, the machine will feel weak when loading the bucket in first gear. If this is occurring, it is recommended to reduce the setting or shut the feature off. John Deere K-Series Production-Class Wheel Loaders may be equipped with front and rear fully locking differentials. To actuate this function, depress the switch located to the side of the left brake pedal. Additionally, K-Series machines may be equipped with an optional automatic differential lock. When engaged, the differential locks will actuate anytime slip is noticed. Furthermore, depressing the manual differential lock switch will lock differentials regardless of the auto switch position. Your machine may also be equipped with a lock-up torque converter. When enabled on K and K2 machines, the torque converter will automatically lock in gears 2 through 5 to allow faster acceleration, better ramp climbing performance, and reduced fuel consumption. On K3 models, the lock-up torque converter will be enabled in gears 3 through 5, regardless of the SSM switch setting. The switch controls lock-up torque converter in gear 2 only. When performing either load and carry or transport operations, it's recommended to always enable this feature. For V-pattern loading operations, the lock-up torque converter may be applied in second gear, which will change the rise-run performance of the machine. Because of this, it's recommended to turn off the lock-up torque converter if operating in this application. For any type of load and carry or transport operation, it is recommended to turn this feature on. The truck counter button allows the operator to keep track of the number of trucks or bucket loads via the monitor. Press the bottom section of the button and a count is added to the total count. To reset, press and hold the same button until the counter clears. The center section of the button allows the operator to toggle between 5 materials categories. The top section of the button is used for scale systems.